Teaspoon. Oh, Rach.
We're not stabbing our eyebrows.
Oh, the reality.
Oh, my forehead looks like the size of Antarctica.
This
isn't going well.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my daughter Rachel.
Hello.
And she is back from college and it's Christmas break and we thought we would do a video together and it was actually her idea to do it, so I was surprised. So today's video is going to be us dyeing our eyebrows and I'm a little scared. How about you?
It's gonna be ugly.
It might be ugly. I got this off of Amazon. It's Godefroy. I got the medium brown. I think I might have wanted to get the dark brown. She has really dark hair and I'm about to get mine colored like in a couple days and a little bit darker. So we don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I wanted to go a little lighter because we could always darken things in, but it's hard to make it look lighter. So this is a all-in-one kit. It comes with these little tablets. And I think there's 20 of them, and each tablet will do one eye, or one set of eyes. It comes with the developer, with this little cup, I guess, to mix it.
It's cute.
It's cute. Oh yeah, and it comes with a little brush.
pencil.
No, not a pencil.
I mean brush.
A brush. I also brought over our own little brushes so that we could maneuver it that way, in case it doesn't work really well to do the one they gave us. It also says to have a 1/4 teaspoon because I think that's what you use to measure the developer with it. Some toothpicks so that you can mix it up.
No, those are Q-tips.
What did I
Not
say?
toothpicks. We're not stabbing our eyebrows.
Q-tips and some cotton balls in case we get it askew. And then I saw this. It's called Color Killer Wipes. And this is also on Amazon. And so I think this is if you get it kind of outside of your eyes, you can wipe it off. So the first thing we need to do is to get the eyebrow stuff we have on our faces already.
No.
To get it off of our face. So, well, I'm going to get my hair back. Do you have something to put your hair back?
I did.
Hair back.
This is when you know we're getting into business. Oh, my forehead looks like the size of Antarctica.
Well, you know, you gotta look ugly to get prettier. All right,
yes.
I'm gonna use just Lancome's, I don't know, makeup remover first.
Oil.
And it's got oil in it, so we can't leave it that way because you gotta have all the oil
Do we
off.
have to take off, like, a foundation? Or
Yeah, it's gotta be nothing. So just kind of
So
rub
we're
it.
gonna become bald.
Okay.
Is what you're saying.
Not bald, but it'll be...
Goodbye, pretty eyebrow. Some people just don't have any hair on their eyebrow, though.
Well, I pretty much don't have much.
Yeah, that's true.
I pretty much don't have much.
So, like, is that good?
As long as
That's what
everything,
yours looks like.
everything has to be off. I got it off.
And now we take off the oil?
And now we take off the oil. So you're gonna...
With facial toner.
Which I never use, so I'm hoping this
It just
doesn't do
has
anything.
aloe vera formula, and it's like a witch hazel.
Aloe vera, isn't that like an oil?
No.
Oh, the reality. Let me read the directions. I will say I did read them beforehand, and it said to test this 48 hours to make sure there's no allergic reaction.
Well, we're not really allergic to anything. You are, but I'm not.
All right, these are not my normal glasses, and I don't like them. But
A little large.
they are a little large. Oh, this is for the testing thing. I'm like, what? Okay.
I'm like, what?
Cleanse area to be treated with soap and water. Let dry. You know what? Let's do this just in case. I did bring us
Are they wet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's just make sure we have
Soap and water. I feel like who washes their face with soap? Do they mean like facial cleanser?
Well, no. I think soap so that there's no oils or creams or anything for moisturizer because you don't want it. You want bare skin.
Okay.
Okay, empty entire contents of one capsule into a small plastic mixing bowl or glass damper. Aren't we supposed to use this thing?
It's a mixing bowl. It's just a baby. Yeah, I think so.
I think we can just use that.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm supposed to empty this?
Wait. Don't do it yet.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid to open it and dye all my fingers.
Oh, don't do that. Wait, Rach, wait.
Okay, go.
Okay. Empty.
I'm too excited.
Empty contents of one capsule into a small placket.
This isn't going well.
Do not use metal bowl.
What?
We're not. Mix with equal parts cream. Oh, that's where the half a teaspoon. Oh, Rach, what did I just say?
I just opened.
Okay. No, you were making it
Do I
open.
pour it in?
Yeah, pour it in.
Oh, it's powder. I thought it was going to be like a liquid or something.
Okay.
Okay. I feel
Is
like
it
I'm
all
dealing
in?
drugs.
Okay, do you know what that's like?
No.
Let's hope not. So,
Wait, we got to show them the powder.
okay, show them the...
It looks like that.
okay. And then mix this in.
What is that? The developer?
This is the developer.
Oh.
That looks about like right.
I am so nervous.
I know, me too. Okay, mix this in.
With a Q-tip?
Yeah, and now mix all that up together. But let them see so they can see what it looks like.
It looks really gross.
Oh, don't get it anywhere. Like, Rach, you're getting half of it out.
Well, there's just a lot.
Maybe we should have used
It
a
looks
big
like
bowl.
glue. This does not look right.
It's
it looks
fine.
like poop.
Really? Okay.
I mean, it's working. This is definitely like an ashier color. Just smells like chemicals.
Apply color from roots to end. Process the color. So processing times, if you want light brown, it's 1 to 2 minutes. Medium brown, 1 to 2 minutes.
What?
Dark brown, 1 to 2 minutes. What? So how can all three of those be 1 to 2 minutes? Really, people? So clearly, like, light brown be 1 minute, medium 1.5, dark brown 2, and then jet black is 3 to 4 minutes.
I don't think you can get black out of this, but okay.
I don't know either. We need to put it on like you're like you're doing it anyways, not just go.
So with these,
yes, and so you would
should I
brush
use the
it
one
on.
they gave us? Yeah, I might.
Okay.
This one's nice. Or no, this one's smaller. So
Are you
wait,
ready?
are you using this?
No, I'm using
Okay,
this.
I'm ready.
I'm scared.
Oh my. So wait, do I create an
Yes,
eyebrow?
you create an
Oh
eyebrow.
boy, I'm really nervous.
Is it good?
I don't know. Am I supposed to put it on my skin at all?
Well, yeah. What?
That was really dark. Oh
That's
no.
okay. It's supposed to be dark.
I'm supposed to like go above my eyebrow, right?
Go where you would actually do your eyebrow.
Oh gosh.
I miss you.
Oh my gosh. I'm just not okay with this.
Why?
Look, it's like not filling in there.
You need to really get in there.
Oh
Like
my-
you want it to be
Look,
really
I
deep.
am painting the walls.
I'm kind of scared too. All right, I don't know. It's like not coming off on it.
I know, like it doesn't. I don't know if it's supposed to fully. Oh my, that is dark.
On me?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna just go crazy.
Okay, I'm pretty sure.
Oh my.
Yep, that looks interesting. Is it supposed to dye your skin too? I look like I have a disease.
Okay, yours has been on 1 minute already. The timer went off. So you need to take it off.
Oh man,
And
I'm
then do
stressed.
again.
With what? What do I take it off with?
No, use this first.
Oh, and just go over it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it didn't take off anything.
I don't know.
That doesn't take off anything.
It didn't?
No, it's not
Interesting.
wet. Oh, I don't like this.
Why?
Because look, it's like barely coming off.
Okay, then use this thing.
I'm gonna have a dyed eyebrow. Ew,
But
it's
you're
coming
gonna
off
fill it in
green.
anyways.
I know, but this is like so dark. Who would do like?
Well, look at me.
Yeah, you're gonna look insane. Okay, so I'm using the wipe.
Okay, the cat is on my legs. Stop.
Aw, Mia. She's feeling left out.
You went like way over your eyes.
Well, that's
you weren't
where-
supposed to do your eyebrow, like the skin. You're supposed
You
to do
said
the hair.
fill it in where I do it.
You're supposed to just do the hair.
Oh my gosh. This is where I would fill it in though.
Okay, well
But
that's good.
here I would do like strokes. Now it just looks like I like drew
Okay.
it.
Yeah. Wow, it really does. You need to scrub that more. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my.
My eyebrow's hurting.
It is?
No, it just hurts because I'm putting so much pressure on it.
Okay. I'm gonna wipe this off. Oh, mine
I
came
honestly think it'll be fine because once I fill it in normal. Oh yeah, yours worked.
Yeah,
You need to take off more though.
I know.
It definitely dyed my hairs darker, because
Did
look.
it?
Yeah, look at the difference.
Oh my, but you've got a lot of line around it.
I know. That's just because you said fill it in. I listened. For once.
The one time. Okay, well, how's mine?
Good. It's just really dark in the middle.
But I want it dark in the middle, don't we? Isn't that the whole point?
Yeah, sure.
So that you don't have to fill it in? Like, I like it where it's dark here but lighter here,
Yeah.
right?
I think I did it. Now I'm going to do the other one.
Wow, yours got really dark.
I know. I don't know why.
Well, look at the difference. I mean, mine's all wubbed off. Wubbed. I just said wubbed. Mine's wubbed off. So
Yeah,
look
wubbed
at the
off.
difference between mine. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, that's good. I already feel like I could go out the door looking like this instead of having to fill in all the way. And
Sure. Okay, I'm just not going to go above and beyond, you know?
You're above and
To
beyond kind of girl.
infinity.
Okay, I'm going to do this one now. This one has really, like, very gray hair. It drives me crazy.
Should I just do my eyebrow hairs? Yes. Okay. I have to do that. But you want to?
Yeah, I like it. I will select. I'm really Concentrate.
No.
I'm gonna like really get in there crazy.
I feel like
Oh, see, now I see what a gray hair that won't grab a hold. Like the color won't grab a hold of it. Grab it, come on.
Oh boy. That
What?
was a lot. That was a lot.
Look at me.
I'm scared.
What happened?
I put too much. Okay.
I went crazy right there. I need to get that off.
How do people do this all the time? This is too
Well,
much.
I think they get used to it.
Ew,
And then it
look at
stays.
my eyebrow.
It only stays for like 7 days.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's not like it's gonna be here for the next.
Oh, thank God.
Okay, I seriously, it will not grab a hold of that gray hair. Do you see the gray hair in there?
Kind of?
It's annoying me. Okay, I like doing the spoolie with it because it kind of makes things even. I think that makes it better.
Yeah, right now I don't look like I have such even eyebrows.
Oh no, it didn't. Oh,
Okay.
so annoying.
Yeah,
okay.
that's not looking very nice.
I think that when you get used to using it, that's the difference. Like you just get used to doing it a lot.
My eyebrows are not even. But I don't really need it to be because if I fill it in, I can fix that. But
Isn't the whole idea not to have to fill it in as much?
yeah, but you're still gonna have to fill it in.
Okay, I look like a train wreck right
Oh
now.
man, this is.
I think I'm gonna wipe. Should I wipe it out? I think I should wipe it out.
Where? Yes.
Okay.
It looks like green.
It looks green.
It's just the tint of the brown, I think.
You're a mean
It's like self-tanning your eyebrow.
Mr. Grinch. Because I'm green. Did you get that?
Yeah, I wasn't listening.
Snot.
That's what I'm gonna call my kids when I get older.
What?
Snot.
I don't really like how I can see it on my skin. So I'm going to try to use this.
Well, yeah, that's what happened to me. But I can't really get it off.
Really?
It's stuck on there.
The amount of mess we are creating here is staggering. Oh, look, I'm using this and it's getting off my skin, but my hair, excuse me, hairball.
Here.
My hair is staying dark. Oh,
Mom,
that's
yes.
much better.
That is the whole point.
Oh, well, I hadn't done that. I'm excited because that worked better.
Okay, I'm
The
ready to fill
stupid
in.
gray hair is not getting colored though. That's annoying me.
Like, this one doesn't look very good right here, but my eyebrows are never full. Unless I fill it in.
I feel like it's darker. Look at me. Is it darker? I feel like it's darker.
It is. That's supposed to be there.
Well, it's certainly enough to do 2 people.
Yeah.
Because there's
we have
even
so
more
much.
here, but you don't. That says you can't reuse it.
Oh, I wouldn't either. There's so many capsules
I
there.
know there's 20, and I'll put the cost on the screen so you guys can see how much it was, but I don't remember it being expensive. I remember not thinking it was fine to buy it.
It kind of looks like from far away, like I have my eyebrows done.
Yes, I kind of thought the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna fix my foundation
Oh, I didn't do that.
Because,
Pause!
just go get it.
Don't look at my sweatpants! I swear I'm all dressed up. Don't look. Look, I'm not wearing sweatpants.
You're so wearing sweatpants. Now I feel like my pencil isn't the right color
Mine is.
because I don't usually go this dark.
Where's the
You know, I
same?
can still see it on my skin,
It's on my skin too.
and it's bugging me that it's on my
I
skin.
wonder, I bet if you took a shower and let it soak into your skin and then rub it with a washcloth, it might come off. But then I'm worried that, like, what's the point? Then you're taking off, like, all of
You know,
it.
I'm going to use this. I'm going to really clean it. Okay, that was better. Oh, yeah, that's much better. I feel like it's just my eyebrow now.
It looks good. They just look really dark. Like, yours look kind of black.
But I don't look like Groucho Marx. Do you
No.
even know who Groucho Marx
No.
is? So I'm going to update below in the description so you guys can know if in the end, after we wash our hair and all that stuff after a day or two, if we like it.
So far, I kind of like it. Like, I think you can save money by doing this way instead of getting it done.
Okay, does it look better now?
It's
that I
like
brushed them?
microblading, but not as cool. Yeah, it looks better.
Yeah. Okay. So I think the jury's out that we like it, but we want to see how well it goes.
Yeah.
So, but you're right. I mean, it's definitely. Oh my! It really is dark.
I know.
But
We
yeah.
love black eyebrows.
Maybe by Christmas. Christmas is in 2 days, so
Wow.
maybe by Christmas we'll actually like it and we'll like
Yeah.
our pictures. Yeah? So, okay, guys, I will give you all the information below and a link to my Amazon storefront where you guys can go pick this up along with the color remover because I think that's key. You need this thing. Absolutely need this thing. Thank you, Rachel. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's the best compliment you can give. And if you haven't subscribed, consider doing that. And I will see you in the next video. God bless.
Bye. Looks so clear.
Your
Like my
tongue
tongue looks healthy.
Your tongue looks healthy?
Yeah, is that a thing?
I don't know. How does your tongue look healthy? How does it
I don't
look
know, like
unhealthy?
nice and pink.
So if it's
Nice
not
and fresh
pink-
out of the baby's wound. I mean,
Baby.
out of the mom's. I swear, I go to college.
Okay. Look at me.
Oh, this is why you don't
Okay.
you don't model, mom.
Okay,
Go.
I get ready, go. Okay. We're so weird.